Here's a complete beginner-friendly guide on how to use repurpose.io to automate content repurposing, which is perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. So once you are logged in, you can actually start out with a free trial, and you want to go over to Connections. And then in Connections, you can add any of the following. Since I don't have a paid plan and my free trial expired, I can't add a new connection, but you would click this add new connection button and you can add YouTube, TikTok, or whatever social media platform you want. And it supports uploading from and publishing to these platforms. And then after that, you're going to be creating your own workflow. So for example, you want to do YouTube to TikTok. You would create that workflow. Every time a video is uploaded to YouTube, it will automatically be uploaded to TikTok, assuming you have all those accounts linked up with repurpose.io. It will automatically detect what has been uploaded and then upload it to that other platform. You can even create your own templates here, customizing your workflow, and you can either process new content.